In this training video, we'll be going over managing your scope types order. The key word is order. And as you can see, we are in the programming tab, and also we are in the scope button. So we are on scopes right now, and as you can see, we've got 4 different types of scopes here. Now, so everybody understands that if you're putting in line items from your mitigation scope, these will show up in your estimate or invoice, whatever you name it, in this order. So all mitigation line items will go first, and let's say you added cleaning, okay, they would come up next if I had a list in here, okay? But what this video entails is the order that you want. Do you want mitigation to go first, or do you want fire line items to go first? So let's see how to fix that. Super easy. So you'd click on Manage Scope Type Order, okay? And as you can see, the mitigation line items are first, as you can see reflected down here. But if you wanted cleaning to be first, okay, you're going to drag and drop it. Okay, now mitigation is now second, or let's say you want mold, okay, to be first. Okay, you'd click OK. So this is the new order. Mold line items would, if you had 20 mold line items, they'd go first. If you had 10 cleaning items, they'd go second, all running down in your invoice or estimate, okay? So now that I selected this order, click OK, all right? So now I click on here again, look what happened. Mold is now first, cleaning is now second, mitigation is now third. And of course you could go back and direct and see each list, okay, each set of line items. That's how you manage the scope types order, okay? All right, I'm not happy with this order. Click on order again. I like to have mitigation first, so you drag and drop it, okay? But I want cleaning second, okay? Double click it, okay? Mitigation, cleaning, mold, fire. So if you had all these line items for these 4 different industries, you could pull from each one of these. That's what's fantastic. But anyway, this is for the order. Simple. So I got the order back where I want it. Click OK. All right. Let me double check. Yeah, there it is. Mitigation, cleaning, mold, and fire. That's how you manage your scope types order. Very, very easy. Okay? That's how that's done. To your success, and thank you for watching.